To do for me, and here come no cocky gone 5 lengths from Punani, and no cocky get weak, and no Punani starting to walk a cocky get broke. Punani gone 5 to 6 lengths here from cocky, and no me start to shaking up cocky for cocky get back stiff, and no cocky no have a lot of work to do. Punani open up 9 to 10 lengths here, and cocky get there, don't have no way going. But you broke your garden, you know.
Where's it going? You messing me. For a woman pussy fat. Yeah. You can't drop the price. 2.5 for what? I turn up BTB and heard out. From pussy fat man, keep 3 price man.
How much 3 fat pussy?
Jesus. Not 20,000 dog.
The least.
Every woman go 18,000 for your pussy. You can't fuck it good because I'm going to wind up on you and you'll come quick. You can't get it fucky. And it gone to somebody else because you can't come back again, you know. And fattest pussy I talk about.
Just met the rat, see you puss.
Pussy for your pussy now. Rat take when yourself, lick up all night fucking good now. And dead in dead, you don't have a poison now. Just make the rat for your pussy. And you know what you have again? You have gap teeth and ring pan nose. Baby, you're beautiful. You look like next week Sunday and it not big gun yet, baby. Yeah. And ladies like you, me love. If me ever have a woman now, my house like you, know. And you go to a year for to my head. I'm mad, you mad me. Right now, do that again.
When you don't want to use this word.
But police are running down and them can't catch you, right?
Yeah.
And them shoot you in your back. Where you call that? A back shot?
No, you can't call that back shot. Man shoot me no back. No back.
So if you get a shot in your back, no back shot, brother?
No, him shoot me no back.
That's alright, then suppose him run down and shoot you in your foot back. A foot back shot?
Him shoot me on my foot.
The back of your foot? So you not get a shot in the back of your foot?
Yeah.
So that means him get a shot in your back?
Yeah, you can't make me say back shot in a Jerry. But now I say no back shot in a. Him shoot me on my back, no back shot.
Yeah, but it's a back shot you get.
No, man.
Then suppose somebody come pick you up and carry you to the hospital. And the doctor say, no, me case within there because him just get a back shot.
And I said, Doc, him just shoot me on my back. No call that back shot.
You put wipe on that?
Yeah, me I put wipe on that, no back shot.
Alright, sir.
No back shot.
I hear you. Now I know the thoughts of these young men.
No, you can't.
Alright. I listen and see on the little short man from Bushrock with the world in I man. Rastafari and the little short man. I know Rasat and I'm poor people. King Selassie have the title for the earth. Babylon your blouse and skirt. The red king. Rastafari have the title for the earth. Who tell them for this mother earth? The Rastaman say man down and rumba like a ball church. Sound that trumpet tiny Selassie I the first. This man call all a beast and all John Paul reverse. You lift up when the light of each and pass in the earth. Holy money will the seven. I know that. Which person that?
The person that you stole the phone from.
Yeah.
Give it back to the person, please.
Alright, miss. Have a nice day, yeah?
Give back the people them their phone.
Have a nice day, yeah?
You're a criminal, man.
Have a nice day, yeah?
You don't know what the meaning of a nice day is.
What is a nice day?
You do not know the meaning of a nice day.
Okay.
Wait for Jeezy.
But I don't want to work on them things, eh?
You want a pussy?
You want work, eh? You want work, eh? You want work, eh? You want work, eh? You want work,
Big chum,
eh?
boy, like you can't do something. Your mother, your granny by your
You want work, eh? You want work. You can't trick me, you know. You can't trick my boy, Harry, man, you know. I everywhere, you know. I'm not telling you that, no. Tell you that, eh? You have to go up on the road still. Grab your foot.
Pussy.
On the blood clot chain, big stinking. Hey boy, go on man, I just put on my bag and walk out. Very for me, I go pussy. I go get the one pretty like go Sharon and Sharon pussy pretty like heavy walkway. I eat you must see a mad over. You know get it. Cause Sharon I love man, I love chat. Chat too much, sir. Unless you have a tire panty on your blood clot mouth when she just take it off. All of that juice they go down in your throat. Watch your drinking. I can teach your Roman blood clot boom. Cause that's somehow now you find Roman boom or anything. I hope when you're dead, none no spill around you. You no put down none. Pussy a tree casket my buy. Pussy a tree glass casket my buy put down. And the last one I drop in the sea and dive off a blood clot go back for kill me like dead body. Go suck your mama pussy, see your feet too. And me I buy my mother a good bed. Said, if I not 2 or 3, if I not 4 or 5, might be to raise too. So,
you know what I hear from me?
People like you, sir.
Eh, what about me?
You're black and poverty.
Eh?
You don't know your father.
Really?
Y'all agree with you.
Eh?
The man kick her on her belly and tell her not to call his name.
Oh. Okay. So you drink tea for a morning?
Sick, man. He's a sick person.
And this is Auntie Sheila, you know, on the case, be off, you know, and Annie daughter, you know. Cause look here, the guy, you know, impregnant the girl, you know. You see it, my fan? So my fan, you know, for big up this a TikTok, you know, and send enough view. Look here, I want enough underrate people, you know. Cause God made the whole wide world, you know. And everyone is shine, you know. God provide food for it night and day. So why the turbine boy pregnant Annie daughter? And I see enough him daughter. Them the boy they fit rat me in a prison, you know, and go in a cafe for them a living dead, you know. And brought the flowers in the girl head, you know. You say boy, if Auntie Sheila catch you right now, man and boys and tear you up alive. You're a turbine boy, where you come from? Parasite rope to be where you come from. You are commander me estimate the little girl. And when you are going under her jaws, you know, underestimate her. Then oh boy, you must see her smell her crotch. So leave the girl alone, man. Leave her alone in Jesus' name, man. For God, we take the little girl what you breed and take the flowers and mash up her head, you know. That's not right, you know, you. You're a turbine, you know. The police them to lock you up and throw with the key and throw you in a casket for you is a living dead. You're a turbine, man. Auntie Sheila talk, man. TikTok fan, that's not truth and right. Go away, you're not better than him, man. You're a parasite and rock to be. Go away. Man, Auntie Sheila of the girl, you know, and the daughter be have. If you never sweet him, you know, broke in him, you know, and in my hand, I may estimate the girl. Like him better than the girl, you know. You're not better than the girl, you know. Why you broke in her? Eh? You couldn't go broke in her iron. Iron pipe, in boy, where you come from? You're not better off than the girl. You're not better off than the daughter. I choose you have the good thing, a thing. The stain in vagina. And that's why you broke in her. Look here, man. You see, God I go give you a beat in a boy. You see it? I mean, no say no boy. Anything Auntie Sheila talk, you know. Father God, I look down, up. Why you know, boy? You're a pervert. You're not better than the girl. Go ahead and throw down that sweet like sweetie.